Towards the end of November, I picked up this big yellow dresser and a small white nightstand from a family friend with some plans to refinish and paint these two pieces for them. So far, I've got the pieces sanded down and they're ready for paint. However, I'm still finalizing what I think these pieces should look like at the very end. I have a couple ideas. One main idea I'm going to share with you. Please let me know down in the comments below if you like this idea or if you have any other ideas. So for the big yellow dresser, my plan is to paint the two big doors up top, paint the remaining of the dresser. I'm going to stain the 4 bottom dresser drawers that slide in and out. And then up on top, the top is finished in particle board, and then it has 3 real wood pieces that surround the particle board. My plan is to stain the 3 real wood pieces and then paint the particle board up on top. For the paint color, I'm going to be using a blue-gray color that I've used plenty of times in the past. And for the stain color, I'm thinking I'm gonna go with a dark brown color. What do you think about this plan? If you have any suggestions or tips, tricks, whatever it may be, comment down below. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Make sure you subscribe for a new project at 7 p.m. every Sunday. Thanks so much, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.